students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the nucleation. Students, as you were studying previous lectures on the topic under the topic nucleus, there are two kinds of genetic material, or you can say that nucleic acids are found inside the nucleoplasm as well as in nucleolus. Now let us to know about what are nucleic acid and how many its types and what kind of function it performs. Now today we are going to discuss about nucleic acid. Students, as the name clear that nucleic acid, these are the kinds of complex protein substances associated with specific amino acids. They are helpful in the synthesis of any specific type of genetic material such as DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA ribonucleic acid. Yes, students, there are two types of nucleic acids. Let us come on to know more about nucleic acid. There are two types of nucleic acid. First is DNA, or you can say that first I take here RNA. RNA ribose nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. And another, here I take the kind of nucleic acid that is DNA deoxyribose nucleic acid. Students, these nucleic acids are the component of pentose sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous bases. The pentose sugar means the kind of sugar that contain the number of carbon atom is 5. Let us see that from what kind of components the RNA and the DNA are consist of, and what are the various properties of these kind of nucleic acids. Let us first take RNA. Like to the DNA and RNA, they are mainly composed of three kind of components. First, sugar, or you can say that pentose sugar. Second, nitrogenous bases, and third is phosphate group. That means PO4 taken twice. Yes, students. Pentose sugar. The general chemical formula of the ribose sugar is C5H10O5. Yeah, this is the deoxyribose sugar. It means, sorry, it is ribose sugar, not deoxyribose sugar, that is found in RNA. That's why the abbreviation of RNA is ribose nucleic acid due to presence of this pentose sugar or ribose sugar. Now, there are two types of nitrogenous bases, the purine and pyrimidine base. First, I take purine base, purine, and second is pyrimidine. In purine base, there are two types of components or you can say that bases, nitrogenous bases are present, that are adenine and guanine. Likewise, in pyrimidine bases, there are three types of pyrimidine bases, among which two types of pyrimidine bases are found in RNA. These are uracil and cytosine. Uracil and cytosine. Now, students, pyrimidine bases contain three types of nitrogenous bases: uracil, thymine and cytosine, among which uracil and cytosine are found in RNA, ribose nucleic acid. And the last one is phosphate group. It helps in making bond between the sugar and nitrogenous bases. Let us now see that how these components combine to form RNA. RNA is a polymer of ribose nucleic acid. It's a long chain polymerase form the ribonucleic acid or ribonucleic acid. Let us know that the sugar and when the sugar and nitrogenous bases combine with one another, it forms riboside. Whereas when riboside, or you can write here riboside plus phosphate group combine with one another, it forms ribotide. Yes, thus RNA is a polyribotide. It means it is a single molecular abbreviated form of RNA, and when more than hundreds, 200, 300 ribotides combine with one another, it forms polyribotide. Students, the main function of RNA is the formation of different types of proteins and information provided by DNA. Because DNA is the genetic material and it controls all kinds of synthesis that take place inside the cell, which is associated with the kind of chemical substances or biochemical substances that are related to the inheritance or heredity. That's why the main function of RNA is the formation of template and synthesis of the kinds of proteins as the information provided by DNA. Now let us know how many types of RNA are found. Types of RNA. Types of RNA. There are 3 types of RNA. 3 types of RNA. First of all, rRNA. It is represented by small r, rRNA. Second is tRNA. You can take in first mRNA, and after that the third one is tRNA, or it is also known as sRNA. Why called sRNA, and what is the mean of R, M and TS? Look at here by its full form. It is ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA. The RNA which is associated with the ribosomes, because the ribosomes are known as protein factory, that's why the ribosomal RNA are responsible for the synthesis of kinds of protein, because this type of RNA is associated with ribosome. Second one is mRNA, messenger RNA. Messenger RNA, ribonucleic acid messenger RNA. Messenger, as the name confirms that it brought about the messages. It means information. As the information provided by the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, the mRNA helps in intake of such kind of information, so that the type of protein can be synthesized as the DNA provides information for the synthesis of protein. That's why this type of RNA is known as messenger RNA. Now the another is tRNA or sRNA. It is called transfer. T stand for transfer RNA, and S stand for soluble RNA. Soluble RNA. As the name confirms that transfer RNA, the kinds of protein which is formed by the ribosomal RNA as the messages obtained by the DNA, that kind of protein is transferred from specific place, or you can say that destination place, with the help of transfer RNA. And when the place where it has been transferred, if any kind of, you can say that if any kind of obstacles come in their path, then actively it dissolve and change its shape. It has ability to dissolve in the hydrocarbon, or you can say that organic compounds. That's why such type of RNA are known as soluble RNA or sRNA, because they have unique ability to form the template, or you can say that code for genetic material or hereditary materials. That's why such type of RNA are known as tRNA or sRNA. Now likewise here we are going to know more about DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Like to the RNA, DNA is also consists of 3 types of substances. What are these? Just look at here. The first is sugar, pentose sugar, or you can easily call sugar. Its general chemical formula is C5H10O4. Yes, C5H10O4. If we compare the molecular structure of ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar, then we find here each vertex represents the carbon compounds CH2OH, HOH with bond, that is OH, H, OH and HOH. Thus here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and here 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the bonds represents this bonds represents the number of hydrogen atoms. Thus there are 10 hydrogen atoms in them and number of oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Likewise, pentose sugar of DNA, that is deoxyribose sugar, there is lack of one oxygen atom. Then how we can represent the molecular structure of deoxyribose sugar? Let us take here CH2OH, HOH and also HOH, OH, H and here H and H. There is lack of one oxygen, that's why this kind of pentose sugar present in the DNA is said to be deoxyribose sugar. Now student, the second component is also nitrogenous bases. Like to the RNA, it has also two types of nitrogenous bases. Purine are always two types, but pyrimidine I will explain you that three types of pyrimidine bases are found. Pyrimidine, among which the uracil and cytosine are found in RNA, but there is difference. There is no difference in purine base, but there is difference in pyrimidine base of the RNA and DNA. What is the difference? Let us know that. Purine is just like to the RNA and two types of purines are present: adenine, guanine. But in pyrimidine there are three types of pyrimidine bases, among which two types of pyrimidine bases are found in DNA, that are on the place of uracil. In compared with the RNA, on the place of uracil, here thymine is present. Thymine nitrogenous base is present on the place of uracil. Yes, that is also comparative difference between the DNA and RNA. Here you find two comparative differences between the RNA and DNA. Many more comparative differences we know ahead. Now here another nitrogenous basis of pyrimidine base is cytosine. Thus students, you can also say that there are four nitrogenous bases are found in DNA and RNA. What is the difference between nitrogenous bases of DNA and RNA? In DNA the nitrogenous bases adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine are present, whereas in RNA the adenine, guanine and on the place of thymine uracil is present in RNA, and the last one is same as DNA, cytosine. Now students, DNA is also a polynucleotide. How? Let us know that. The sugar and nitrogenous bases of DNA, sugar, when the pentose sugar and nitrogenous bases combine with one another, it forms deoxyriboside, or you can also call it nucleoside. What? Nucleoside. Here the term is taken side, S-I-D-E. Now, when the nucleoside or deoxyriboside contain the phosphate group PO4, that helps in making bond between the sugar and nitrogenous bases, then it forms nucleotide, yes, TIDE, or it is also said to be deoxyribotide. It is a single molecular structure of DNA. About 100 to thousands number of such molecules of nucleotides combine to form a single DNA. Hence, the DNA are known as polynucleotides. Poly means many and nucleotide, as you know here how a single nucleotide of DNA is formed. Now students, one thing more important, that how many types of DNA are found and what kind of role is performed by DNA. Dear students, there are mainly 4 types of DNA are found, as the first is circular DNA, cDNA. All of you study in prokaryotic cell. bDNA, cDNA, ddNA. The ddNA is also recognized as zDNA because it has zigzag-like structures. More structure about DNA we know and study in the next lectures. Thanks students for learning today.